So let's pick up a problem, 8-point FFT using decimation in frequency. So the problem is x of n. We'll use the same problem which we have used before, 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, given x of n, which is 8 points, and we are told to find out DFT of this x of n, that is 8-point DFT, using DIF, decimation in frequency, FFT structure, okay, or FFT method. So we will start off with that. So first thing is we have to draw a butterfly structure, and it will have 8 lines. Okay, so let's go about it. Okay, so let's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we know that one thing we know is that in a DIF, decimation in frequency, this comes in sequence. So you get x of 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so this is what you know about it, right? So let's say this first thing is you do you take into consideration all 8 points, and then we slowly move towards the 2 points. We start off with the 8 points, and then we slowly move to the 2 points. The FFT structure will be looking something like this. Okay, so this one will be looking yeah. So we know that the FFT structure for a 8 point is, yeah, so it will be not here. So we will have these values 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0. Okay, and the lower branches will be minus 1, and this will be followed by a W0 of 8, W1 of 8, that is your Wn of n, W2 of 8, and this is W3 of 8. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, so now this guy here, we will be calculating these values here for this 8-point method. Then let's do the calculations later on. Let's draw the structure first. So now this guy here, yeah, so I need to one more extension here for a temporary values. So these are my 4 points from this side and 4 points from the lower half. Yeah, so now yeah, so these are my values. This is -1, this is -1, and it will be multiplied by w0 of 4 and w1 of 4. w1 of 4. So this is now your 4 points from the upper half, 4 points from the lower half. Okay, so these guys will be now split into 2 points. So let me have another temporary place where all the outputs settle, and then I will draw another 2-point structure. Club together this as a 2-point structure now. Okay, so this guy here will be w0 of 2. These are my 2-point butterfly structures. So just make sure that the arrows are there properly done. So this will be my outputs. So here the outputs will be, this guy will be x of 0. This will be not out of order, right? So the way we had explained the bit reversal method, so same order you will get. Okay, so now we can plug in the values. What you will get here, let's draw this plugging of the values now. So 1, which is coming from here, 1 plus minus 1, so this is a 1, right? So this is 1 minus 1 is 0, so this will be a 0. Okay, 1 which is coming from here, okay, minus 1, so this is a 0, this is a 0. 1 which is coming from here, and 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1 here, then 1 and plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 0, this will be a 1 here, so this is a 1. Okay, and here now what you have is, let me just have here is these guys coming in from this part and getting subtracted. So 1 is coming from this place, 1 minus of minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is, this will be 2. Okay, this guy is 1 coming from this place, it's 1, and this guy is minus of minus 1, 2. So this point is a 2 multiplied by w1 of 8. w1 of 8 we already know, it is, we have done this before, which is w1 of 8 is basically a phasor, is a vector in this direction making an angle of 45 degrees, right? So yeah, so this is your w1 of 8. Yeah, so this is w0 of 8, this is w1 of 8, which is equal to minus 1 by plus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. So I'll just plug it in here. So this is so this value here will be 2 into 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. This is what you will get. Here you will get x of 6 will be 1 plus 0. So 1 minus 0, so this is a minus j, so this guy will be minus j. Okay, this guy here, this is actually 1, right? Yeah, so this guy here will be 1 again. 1 into this w3 of 8 is, so w2 of 8 is this guy, w3 of 8 is somewhere this guy. Okay, so w3 of 8 is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. It's in the second quadrant, right? So this guy here is minus, so 1 into minus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. This is the value that you will get. So these all values are settled now. So now we will move to the next stage. Next stage is where you will be multiplying this 0 plus 1 will be a 1. So this guy will be a 1 here. 0 plus 1, this is 1 again. Okay. Now this guy here will be 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. This is a minus 1 into this is minus 1 here. Okay. Then this guy here will be 0 minus 1. This is a minus 1 into w1 of 4. w1 of 4 is minus j, so this guy will be a positive j. Okay, positive j. Same thing now applies here. So this is 2 coming in, and this guy is a minus j. So this is a 2 minus j. Okay, this is minus j, right? This is a 2. This is what the values are. Okay. So now 2 into 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2, this particular point will have 2 by root 2 minus 2j by root 2. Okay, let me just, okay, and the point which is coming here is plus minus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. This is what is coming in. So eventually what you will get, the value here will be 1 upon root 2 minus 3j upon root 2. This is what you get at this particular point. Okay, that is reflected here. Now same thing here, 2 plus j. This is a 2 plus j value which will be coming here. This guy here will be 2 by root 2 minus 2j by root 2 my plus 1 by root 2 plus j by root 2. This is what you get into w1 of 4. w1 of 4 is what? w1 of 4 is multiplying by, this guy is multiplied by minus j here. Okay, minus j. So if I multiply this by minus j, I get a value here which is, this guy will be equal to 2j and j will get 2j square, so this is 3 minus 1, so 2 minus 1, so this is 1 minus 1 by root 2, 2 plus minus 2, this is minus 2, okay, minus j. Yeah, so this is what, minus j, so plus j by root 2, right? Plus 1 by root 2 it will be, right? Yeah, so this will be a plus, so minus 1 by root 2, okay, minus 1 by root 2, this is the outcome of this, and this will be minus 3j by root 2. This is what you will get here. Okay, minus 3j by root 2. Okay, so now all these points are already calculated. Now this is a 1, this is a 1, this is a minus 1, this is a j. Okay, this is a j here. So this guy here will be a 2j, 2 minus j. Okay, this guy here is 1 by root 2 minus 3j by root 2. Okay, this guy here is 2 plus j, and this guy is minus 1 by root 2 minus 3j by root 2. So let's calculate now. 1 plus 1 comes here, which is a 2. Okay, this guy here is 1, minus 1 is 0, so this is a 0, minus 1 plus j, this is what you get here. This value will be minus 1 minus j. Okay, so this is done. Now this side is 2 minus j, this side is 2 minus j plus 1 by root 2, okay, plus 1 by root 2 minus j minus 3j by root 2. This is what you get, okay, minus j minus 3j by root 2. So this comes to be like, this comes to be 2 plus 1 by root 2, which is 2.707, okay, minus j into 1 plus 3 by root 2. So this is like I think 3.121 you'll get it as, okay. So you can say 2.707 minus j 3.121, okay. So this is the value. So here in this case it will be 2 minus j plus minus 1 by root 2, this is a minus 1 by root 2 plus 3j by root 2. So what you will be getting here is 2 minus 1 by root 2, okay, minus j into 1 minus 3 by root 2. This is what you will get. So eventually this turns out to be like 1.23, okay, 23 something like that, minus j into 1 minus, so this is like 2.21, so this is 1.21, something like this you will get, okay. Same thing here, 2 plus j minus 1 by root 2 minus 3j by root 2 turns out to be 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 2j by, okay, so this is plus j minus 3j by root 2. This comes to like 1.23, okay, 1.23, sorry, 33, right? This is not 23, 707, so 283, this will become 293, okay, 293, like 2 minus 0.707 comes to like 1.293, something like that it will come as, okay. This guy here will be j minus 3j by root 2 will be plus, sorry, minus j, okay, this is correct, oh this is a plus, so this is a plus, okay, this is a plus 1.21, this is what you will get it here as, okay. Same thing here, what is 2 plus j plus 1 by root 2 plus 3j by root 2 comes to like 2.707 plus j into 3.21, something like that, okay. So this is the values that you are getting. Just check for the answers, okay. This is a 8-point output. So if you look at it, this is arranged in a out of order format, so bit reversal method is what is used to check this sequence, okay. So yeah, thanks.